Of course I admit I'm crazy, Crythorn.
Hello.
And welcome to Dead by Daylight. Do not hit that button. Thank you.
What button?
I don't know. There's a freaking vulture eating a human.
We're definitely not crazy. Play a survivor. And now you hit Y. Because why not?
Yay!
Like how your character's like all covered in mud, like a homeless person. Like, look at what she's wearing.
I know, she doesn't look very...
I guess most horror movie like protagonists aren't exactly like beauty pageant, you know, dressed to impress. The guy's name is Noob Beater.
Look who's shitting in the tall grass.
That's funny.
Look who's shitting in the tall grass. Who? You? Yes.
What? Who said that?
It was in the game.
Who said that?
I don't know who said it.
Oh, someone like physical or like vocally?
I think, yeah, they said it.
All right,
Sweat it.
all right.
They sweat it, guys.
Hey, they sweat it.
Oh my gosh.
But at least you admit
person,
to it.
you, right here. You, here, right here. Hit the check button.
Well, you know what? Look in the bottom right. If they don't ready up, they got 28 seconds before they're going to be ready automatically.
Well, hurry up.
Everything looks good on the stream. While you're playing, I'm going to just test the audio on the tablet.
11 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Thank you.
What is this, New Year's Eve?
Yes.
Imagine if your New Year's Eve like countdown like matched up with that countdown.
That would be terrifying.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
These are little power-ups.
Cool.
But, you know, we don't even know what they mean, so whatever.
Oh my god, I hate this. God, I forgot about this.
Remember, left bumper, left trigger. Left bumper, left trigger.
Okay.
That's the difference between crouch and sprint.
Okay.
Remember, if you sprint, you make a lot of noise and they can hear you.
Okay.
If you crouch, that's ideal, but obviously if they see you, run.
Yes. Well, no, I'm just going to sit there and twiddle my thumbs and be like, here, killer, come kill me.
I'm going to try to help you by telling you what to... But...
Let me figure it out on my own.
Okay.
Let me just figure it out. I played this game before. I think I can figure it out.
You said just a second ago, I forget everything.
Well, I remember this part. The fucking, you gotta do the freaking generators.
You gotta do the, like, right bumper at just the right second.
I fucking hate that shit.
Oh, I know, right?
It's the poopiest.
Okay, you're ready.
Crythorn said, watched my mates play the game so much, so.
Mm-hmm. So you probably know more about this game than we do, Crythorn. Watch out for the crows. Oh, you scare them and
I
then...
don't care.
Okay, I'm just saying. I'm just saying that... Oh, and that's a curse that you can lift. All I'm saying, get ready to press right bumper at any moment. You just gotta get
I'm
your
holding
timing.
right bumper.
No, I don't know.
I'm literally holding right bumper right
then
now.
I forget what you have to press, and you're just gonna have to be ready. Thank
There.
God you didn't have to press anything.
Where's the generator? Oh, here's
There
a
you go.
generator. Right bumper.
Okay, so maybe it's left bumper?
Well, we'll see.
Left
bumper.
It is left
Okay.
bumper. I would look around while you do this.
Well, I can't look around and focus on... Oh, fuck.
Oh, well, focus. That's different.
Yes. Fool, I'm trying to focus on this. Someone got caught.
That means someone is...
Yes, someone got caught. Someone got
I know. I was
hooked.
saying that means the guy is far away from you. All right. Mentally, just be like, all right, I'm ready.
Can you get doggo water?
I will in a second.
Oh! Fuck my life. God damn it. Yes, I know that, but it's kind of hard when it's one of those spur of the moment crap things. Oh my god. Okay. Just gonna keep doing that. I'm terrible! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh fuck! Run! 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 Oh my god! I don't know where we're going. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! We're carrying. Oh. Okay. You'll never find me.
Ooh. You lost him. Oh, but you're on the ground.
I know.
You have to hold right bumper.
I know, but I'm trying to get away at the moment.
Just don't move. Uh-oh.
He found me.
Uh-oh.
I know.
Uh-oh. Don't worry, your other guys will get you up. You shook the wrong thing.
I know. I realize that.
Right.
Hello? Someone want to help me? Oh, you're gonna go do the generator? Oh, well, thank you. Thank you for healing.
The only thing I know is that, God, you just got up. If you try to heal someone, it'll also do one of those little checks, and it'll potentially fail as well.
Oh, good. He's after someone else. So.
Just be ready. Just be like, shoo,
I
run
will
away.
be ready when I'm able to run. Oh god, run, run, run,
fuck 'em.
run, run, run,
Run. Just run.
I'm running!
Run faster.
I'm running as fast as I fucking can!
Ah! Imagine make little chicken noises. Like, ah!
Oh, I hear him. Okay.
You can hear your little grunty noises when you're in there. So just know that if he walks by you, he might be able to hear you be like, I'm bleeding. In the main menu in Dead by Daylight, it says death is not an escape. Just by the way. There's 2 people down.
Oh, someone got hooked.
Let's see if we can unhook him. Sweet. Cleansing.
Where'd they go? Okay, they're over
There you
there.
go. Uh-oh, he sees you.
Oh no!
The other guy is there, though.
And that guy hasn't been hit once.
Yeah, his name is Noob Eater, so I'm pretty sure
he's
like
running
a pro.
away. Oh, now
but
he got
just
hit.
got smacked, though. All right, I spoke too soon.
Okay, let's see if I can recover myself and run away, guys. Oh, someone else. Oh, someone got hit. Okay.
That's okay.
We're all terrible at this game. Oh, someone else got hit. We're all on the ground. Well, we're all gonna die. It's okay. Oh shit, don't come for me, don't come for me, don't come for me. Oh, I gotta find help. Fuck. Girl.
You're not gonna... Well, try your best. Try your best. Who knows? Maybe you can get out of it. But this game is all about, like, the sweet relief for those times that you actually make it through. Because the odds are stacked against you.
I'm slowly dying anyway, so it doesn't matter. And he's standing right there, and it's like if I go in there, I'm gonna die. Oh, someone died. Oh, well.
I wonder if 2 people who are down on the ground, I wonder if they can, like, get each other up. You know?
Maybe. But one person is already dead. We have one person dead. And we have another person dead. Oh my god, we're all just gonna die. We're just all gonna die. It's okay. I
I love
can't.
the little, like, skull icon in the bottom left.
I know. I'm trying to crawl to you, I promise. I'm just crawling very slowly.
I'm covered.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, maybe you can actually do it. Let's see.
No, come here. I guess I gotta.
You can't. Neither.
We can't do anything.
Just go in circles. Go in circles.
Oh shit, he's coming.
He's gonna just look at you both and be like, "Really?" He's probably right behind you right now. Like, all right. Well, just stomp on him, I guess. After this, I'll have you change the brightness a little bit, turn it up a little bit. Well, there goes that person. Oh, look, a health kit. I don't think you can use it if you're on the ground, though, so. You can do it. I believe in you.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm slowly dying anyway, guys.
I admire your attempt to... Okay, so it says you can either get the generators or get the gate.
But I'm not. I got no strength in me at all. I'm about to die.
Well, at least you weren't the first to die.
I'm the last.
about that?
And I'm still. And he still hasn't found me.
I mean, that's a little achievement right there. Get your little soccer trophy for that. Didn't die first.
I'm just like choking on my own blood over here. Just. Bleh. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
He's gonna bleed out in like a second.
I know. I died! We all died!
That's okay. Look at you all running together
I know,
in
right?
unity. Okay, go ahead and hit Y. You did good though. You did as best as you could. Now I'll be able to play with you.
I tried my hardest.
Go ahead and go into the options.
Option.
Yeah, let's do it back. And if you keep on scrolling, I bet you there's probably like a. I'm going.
How do I scroll?
Left stick down or right stick down. There you go. Keep going. Right bumper. Left bumper.
There's no way to brighten it. That's fine.
Well, just a second. Let me take a look.
Let's just play.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to invite you. That's what I'm doing right now.
I can join your party. I'm waiting. What were you typing? That's what I was doing, and I was waiting for you to reply. We're both gonna die. Are you gonna save me? Oh. Guys, he won't save me. Well, you're just a poo. Blood web. I reached level 9!
Clean rag. Ooh. I leveled up my clean rag. Did you see that? It's just kind of funny how, like, I leveled up.
I'm
My
level
clean-
9.
My clean rag is level 9.
Well, I'm all that away.
Every time I do the level up things, I'm just the blood web.
Yeah.
I don't even read what I'm doing.
I don't. I just look. I just do it.
I'm just like, oh, I got the thing. All right. Oh, I'm level 10.
we go. I look better. Look at that. Look. Do you see me?
I do see you. You don't look as homeless anymore.
I know. I changed.
Only slightly less homeless, but still much better.
I am not homeless, you poop. I stab you with a fork. So much violence in this family.
I know. It's okay.
I have no more Cokes for me to drink.
I know.
So sad. So sad, sad.
So sad, sad.
What time is it? No, it's only 7.
I'm not looking at my watch. I'm just looking at my hand.
Why? Oh.
You know why. What was that noise?
Oh no. Scrocking? Scrocking!
Scrocking.
I cannot. No. When injured, a survivor can be healed by another survivor or a med kit. Okay.
Well, good to
Well,
know.
I was trying to heal, but I just couldn't. We just kept twirling in circles.
Twirl.
Should be mindful of their actions. Running leaves tracks only the killer can see.
Oh.
Loud or rushed.
Bum, bum.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
You hear that?
I do. It's Michael.
It's from Halloween.
Yeah, Michael. Mike Myers.
Okay, let's go. Just go. I'll follow you because I know you have a hard time keeping track of me. You're like, where'd you go? I don't know what I'm doing.
Shut up, fool. I do know what I'm doing half the time. Oops. I scared a birdie.
As you say that.
There's cops.
Yeah. You're afraid of... Okay, there's a killer around and you're afraid of cops.
Oh. It's a cop guy. Oh, someone got hurt. Oh, found a generator.
Run, run.
Oh! Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. La 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 la. Run, 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 run. Did you escape, my love?
If only for now.
Oh, someone got snooked.
Snooked.
Someone got snooked. Okay.
Ah!
What, did you get hooked?
No, I got smacked. Oh, I got snooked.
You got snooked. All right, I'm watching.
Come to me.
I will once he puts you down, fool. I'm hiding at the moment. Oh, he's follow. Okay, I'm gonna follow him.
Save me.
I'm working on it.
You could do it. Yay.
Okay, now run.
Okay.
Someone died already?
Oh my god, he followed me. What a fool. I'm wiggling. I'm wiggling. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna come get you.
Okay.
Oh, maybe not. Oh!
Don't scream right into the mic. Scream away from the mic.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh my god.
I just got hit. Oh no. No. Be nice to me. Oh. They're all so evil.
They are.
This guy's just killing us all, you know.
Now run.
Oh shit, someone.
Over here. Behind this thing. Thank you. Now don't stab me.
Sorry.
Oh God.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm just crouching in like the fetal position, just like.
Oh shit!
Oh God! Run! Oh no! Oh my God! I can't believe that just happened. I can't believe that just happened. Well, you're dead anyway, so you may as well get it. You're gonna have to fix it yourself, you fool. You did that. You don't. Okay. Just fucking sit.
Am I dead?
Yeah.
Oh God. I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh my God. I'm so close. I'm so close of getting out. Oh. Did you die? Oh. Okay. Struggle. 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 I didn't think that was good. I'm sorry, okay? Woohoo! I got saved! Oh shit! He's coming! Oh crap! Oh no! He got me! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Oh. Oh no! Oh no! We all got sacrificed! Wait, okay. We got sacrificed, all of us.
Alright. Get going in just a sec.
Go. Lay down. Lay down.
Go.
Dude, I was gonna get my clean rag. I'm level 10. I'm up to you. Your mind has opened to new possibilities. The third peak slot is now unlocked. What the hell does that mean? The entity has woken up. Once you've collected enough nodes,
You can unlock, if you go to loadout
it
on the
starts
left,
to move across the...
you can unlock a new dingle.
Cool. Okay, are we ready to play?
Yes.
I'm waiting.
We're both ready. We're both waiting.
Oh.
You fool.
Well, that would be a fun clip. Hi-ya!
Yeah, like, oh, he just kicked the camera. And just for that brief second, you're like, oh god, oh god.
Well, it didn't break. It's not damaged.
Yeah, luckily.
Hey, I said I was sorry.
No, you didn't.
I did.
All right.
I said I'm sorry. Even on camera, I said I'm sorry.
Technically not on camera.
Well.
You might want to ready up.
Oh, sorry. Thought I was. Well, I did say I was sorry, so.
Okay.
I did say I was sorry. I wonder who we're playing against now.
Well,
that didn't look like Mike Myers, though.
No. So this game has a weird, like, history. Before they got the legal rights to use Mike Myers, they had to use like a knockoff lookalike. So it's kind of like Mike Myers, but it's legally distinct.
Oh.
You want to do one more and go back to just chatting?
Sure, because then I gotta go pee.
Okay.
I gotta go pee, y'all. Y'all.
Gall.
Y'all. Where's Doggo? Oh, behind you. You know what I was trying to do? I was trying to do the generators. I almost said ventilators. Trying to do ventilators, y'all. Do you like my headphones? Okay. Where are you? Are you with me? Okay, you're right there. Maybe this is where piggies come in, right? Piggies save us. Look at me. I'm all covered in, like, blood. You see that?
I see. Go.
Okay. I'm going. I'm going. Oh my god, you're so mean. Okay. Is this a generator? Yes, this is the generator. Let's work on it.
Okay. Be ready.
Sorry! Oh my god, I hate this thing. Someone got... Oh my god, I wasn't paying attention. I'm sorry. Someone else got hit.
Well, they're the sacrifice.
Oh, I did it! I did it!
Good.
I did it again!
We got it.
Okay, now run
Now
on.
let's get this guy.
Oh, I hear...
I'm gonna try to help him.
I hear someone chasing me! Oh shit, he's right there! Oh my god, oh my god, run faster! Run faster, 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 go faster! Go, go! Oh, I escaped! Haha! Oh, that other person got hit again.
Yep.
Is that the one we just did? Oh, that's the one we just did. Ray! I'm coming! Oh, he is right there. Never mind. I will not go that way. Where are you, fool?
I am hiding. Oh my god, someone just got killed.
Yeah, because I found the door.
Okay, good to know. Remember where that's at.
Okay, I will. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. He got me. He got me. He got me. Oh, he got someone else now. I'm on the floor. I'm trying to recover. Oh, he's gonna pick my ass up. What's his... Is he like Scream?
See, I can't even see. He must have some sort of power up because I can't even see where you're hooked at. I'm coming.
Well, he's standing right next to me. He's not leaving me alone. I'll take it, Red.
You won't come back and get me?
I am. I'm coming. Can I run? Run away. Did you get hit again?
Yes. Just hide. Ooh. Okay. He's going down in the basement here. And now he's coming up the basement.
Where's the basement? Down here? Oh shit, he got me!
Sorry, I'm dead.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Come on, wiggle! Wiggle, fool!
Wiggle!
Oh.
You know how painful that would be to be like on a spike like that?
I think I'm on strike. Come on, go! Struggle! Struggle! Where's the person? Oh, come. Oh crap, she got hit too. Well, we're all fucked. She got hit too.
That's fine. We had a good run. It's not about winning, it's just about having a good run.
Oh no! We'll play one more. I want to play one more.
Okay.
I forgot how difficult these killers are. Oh, someone else got hooked. Well, fucked.
Well, shit. We did.
Well, basically, yeah, because I'm dead. I just got, like, stabbed. And then my corpse just goes up into a machine. I did basement time plus 19.
Plus 19.
We all got sacrificed. Only... how
It's
many
a hilarious moment you kicked over the camera.
I'm sorry.
For that, I want to see that brief second of just your face just going, just holy crap. Quit out. Why?
No, I want to chat. I want to see this, weirdo.
Okay. Okay, now go.
Now I can hear what?
I accidentally, like, I think I quit the party. So I'm gonna have to, like, invite you again. Play a survivor.
Or I can just do this. Hold on.
No,
Wait, hold on. I have to go
now
back.
I can invite you.
No, I go back
Now
to...
you press the back button on your controller.
No, I do friends.
No. Now you hit the back... Now you hit the back button on your controller. I'm telling you. The back button and then A. There you go. You did it. I'm so proud of you. That's all you have to say.
Not...
I wonder if this game would be like playing with mouse and keyboard.
Probably terrible.
Yeah.
Or maybe we might play it during Halloween, but in the dark.
Uh-huh.
Or maybe, you know what? You know what game I want to try?
What?
Five Nights at Freddy's.
That might be fun.
Except for maybe not have the camera so close to me where I kick it. Bless you. Bless you. Gazoon tie it 5 times.
I think we should probably have little tape marks on the thing so we know where to put it back if it ever falls off again.
I'm sorry. I really am.
Don't worry about it. I'm over it.
I'm just surprised it didn't get broken.
No, it's funny now.
My legs just went, hiya! I wonder who we're fighting against.
You'll only find
know?
out until later.
So that guy was like Scream, I'm assuming.
Yeah,
right?
he was screaming. He had some sort of power or something. I couldn't see, like, some of the... I don't know. Maybe
It said Ghostface. He has a power up where you can't see him, I guess.
maybe. Or maybe I'm just misinterpreting, like, the rules of the game. I just remember there was, like, some moments where, like, you got hooked and I couldn't see it. And I was like, what the hell? But that being said, maybe I'm just blind. So, you know. It's been a while since we played this game, so
Yeah.
I'm taking everything with a grain of salt.
With 4% base chance of surviving if you're hooked and you try to do it by yourself.
So those moments where we actually survive are like little miracles.
Hell yeah, fool. Where are you?
I'm not near you, so you're just gonna try your best to survive.
I'm on my own?
Mm-hmm.
But you know how bad I am on my own. I'm scared.
I think I saw him.
Well, find a fire. Can I get warmed by the fire? Oops, I'm in a dead end. That's a really bad spot to be in. Oh shit. Oh! Oh shit, I found him.
You found him?
He's chasing me.
Ugh. You're like, yeah, I really found him.
Okay, now I escaped. You got someone else though. Haha. Piggies will save me.
You gotta listen. If you hear the heartbeat, that means he's close.
Well, I was trying to get a medical pack, but the guy stole it. And that's when he went to go get the medical pack, that's when the guy came. Oh shit. Okay. Ooh, what's over there? Oh, there's a generator.
I hear some sort of screeching. Oh my god. It's like a ghost thing.
It's Ghostface. I think that's what the monster's name is, Ghostface. Oh, I did it. I did it, fool. I did that good skill check.
Good.
Fuck. Well, so far so not good. Oh, I did it again.
I'm repairing one of the generators.
So am I.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. Good luck, soldier. Oh, fuck. I hear something. I'm out.
Ain't
Bye.
coming for you. Ain't gonna get you.
Oh, shit. He got me. Oh, no. Oh, I escaped. Ah! But I'm hurt. We're all hurt. Who's the other person? There's literally one person who's not dead. Oh, you're gonna heal me. Please heal me. Thank you. I'm getting healed. Did you get killed?
Yes, I did. I got smacked in the face.
Thank you for healing me. Where are you? I'll come save you.
I'm kind of like in the center of the map. I've been pooped on.
Where the hell do you go? Way over here.
God, it's only like when you realize that there's like a global pandemic do you like forget that like, when you have like these little cravings for like going out to a fast food, it's like, well, fuck.
Yeah.
Can't really.
Oh, someone else is gonna save you, I think.
Yep.
No, I'm gonna save you. Because you're my husband, and I will save you.
Thank you.
Alright, now run!
Okay, I'll run with you.
Oh, fuck! Ha!
Run, keep running.
He's trying to hit me, but I'm weaving, so he can't hit me properly.
Keeps missing.
I know, because I keep weaving. You missed me. I escaped.
Miss me, and I gotta kiss me. You're kind of close to a wall.
No.
You're near that sign.
One generator's down. Good. Okay. Where's he? There he is. I found him. Okay. Go this
You're
way.
so sneaky.
Huh?
You're so sneaky.
Where are you, fool?
I've been going along the edge of the map.
Okay.
So just kind of like try to find the edge and just go along the side of it, just like the edge of a pool.
Okay.
I'm cleansing the totem. Oh, someone fell down over there. I'm gonna try to go to them and save them.
Looks like they're being taken away. Oh. Oh.
Oh, really far away. I'm gonna try to go towards them.
I got a medical kit.
Oh, they can heal them even better.
Yes.
Alright, let's go try to save that person. I'll meet you there. That person who's hooked right now.
I know, I'm going that way now. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I hear something. I hear something. Are they fucking down in the basement?
That's exactly where they are. Let's go.
Not the best idea.
We're good. Go. Just run.
Where are you, fool?
I just ran out. I'm running along the edge of the map now.
Which way? Because I'm at the edge. Come.
You know, just I'll see you when I see you.
Oh shit. Okay. You got hit again.
Someone did.
It's that same guy again. Oh fuck, he's gonna get after me. Oh fuck, I just ran
Only
right
two
into
more.
it. Oh no!
You got smacked? Okay, we're coming. We're coming.
No, I'm being taken.
Okay.
I don't think it's the ghost. I think it's the nurse.
The nurse, huh? Okay. Don't worry, we're coming. I'm coming straight for you.
Slowly dying here. Just.
I got you. Now run. Alright, right over here. Now duck, duck, duck. Oh, sorry.
Ow! Don't stab me. I hear something. I hear him. Come, run!
Oh, run, run, run!
Oh no, they got me! Where's that other person? Buck and Rich. Or Rick. Where are they?
I don't know. Everyone's around, but we're not far. I'm coming.
Oh no. Oh, someone else is healing me. Oh, thank God. I'm a distraction.
It's chasing you. It's right behind you.
I know, but...
We're doing good.
So far.
We got a good run here.
Oh no! Oh no, I'm gonna die. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Come on, wiggle, wiggle! Oh, well. Well, someone save me, please. Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Don't worry, I'm coming. I'm run. We're gonna try this again. Now this time we go a little bit farther.
Oh, the guy got hit again.
Over here. Actually, over here.
I'll heal you. Wait, I'll heal you. Okay, but fine, you're gonna heal me. Please don't stab me.
I'll try.
Oh, someone got hooked.
Now you heal me.
Well, no, fool. I'm just gonna let you bleed.
We only got 2 more generators left.
Someone died. God. I hate these. Sorry! I'm
That's
sorry!
okay. Keep
I'm
going.
sorry!
Keep going. You can do it.
Oh, I made it.
You did it.
I did.
Okay, run, run, run.
I'm running, fool.
He's right on our tail.
I know that.
Oh shit! I ran right toward him.
I got you, fool. You bad fool. Bad foo-foo. Bad juju! I escaped. I'm really good at escaping, y'all. Oh, another generator. I guess Buck and Rick is literally just doing all the generators, I guess.
Shit.
Where are you?
I'm down.
Where are you? I see you. I'm coming for you.
I ran around in a circle, but now I'm hooked.
Okay, I know. I'm coming.
Thank you.
Okay, now go. Go, go,
No,
go.
he's right here. Oh no, I'm down again.
I'm a distraction!
That's okay. Just carry on without me. I'm gonna die immediately. There we go.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. We did good. We're getting a lot of good points here and a lot of experience.
Oh, I think you're coming up on me.
There's only 1 generator left.
I know. Can we do it?
Maybe. I mean, you're only 1 gen left. I mean,
Good. That one's already done? That one's
Flago
done.
Floppo. Don't look away.
Oh!
That's what I said. Don't look away.
Run, 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 run. Ooh, I'm bold.
Yeah, because he's right on your ass.
And I escaped. I've escaped
Okay,
multiple
I would hide in
times.
that. I would hide. I would hide. Those little toolbox area, or those little...
Yes, I know. But he's right on my butt.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Oh, but the guy got the last one. The guy got the last one, so...
That's alright.
If that guy can escape, and we sacrificed ourselves so that he can escape, then so be it.
Yay!
You know what? Good job.
Yay!
Good job.
I was so happy when you walked right by. I was like, yes! Oh, damn it!
I know, you almost got him.
Good job.
Good job.
Well, that was
Knocked over
fun.
the camera once.
Alright, I gotta go pee, y'all. I'll be back.
Okay, let's quit out, and then that was a lot of fun.
That was. We good. Let's see how many blood points I earned.
Blood points.
Objectives. Dude, my boldness is 6,523.
Now that's what I call bold.
Ooh. Yay! I hope.
Yay.
Oh my god, my voice.
Ah.
I sound like a girl going through puberty.
Yes. Well, thank you all for watching Dead by
Thank you.
Daylight. This was a lot of fun, especially on Friday the 13th.
Yes.
So you all have a happy Friday, and we will see
Make
you.
sure killers don't kill you.
We will go back to just chatting, and for those of you who are in the stream, yeah, we're going back to just chatting, and for those of you who are in the YouTube, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.